Hey class 8, today we are doing here our chapter 5 of DAV Maths class 8 worksheet 1 question number 3. So here this is our question number 3. Ankit sold 2 jeans for rupees 990 each. On one he gains 10% and on the other he lost 10%. Find the gain or the loss percent in the whole transaction. So here Ankit sold 2 jeans and the SP for the first jean is also rupees 990 and the selling price for the second jean is also rupees 990. On the first jean he gains 10% on it and the another second jean he lost 10% on it. So in this question we have to find here that what the Ankit get loss or profit in this the whole transaction. So let's continue with writing answer. I firstly write here, we have given here SP. We have given here SP, so we apply the formula of CP here firstly for profit. I write here formula of CP for profit. I write here, we have given here, firstly we have given here SP selling price is equal to rupees 990 for the first jean. This is for the first jean. And profit here, profit is equal to 10% on it. So I apply the formula here. CP cost price is equal to selling price multiplied by 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. So here given in the question SP is equal to 990 multiplied by 100 upon 100 plus this 10% which is equal to 990 multiplied by 100 upon 100 plus 10 which is equal to 110 here. This 0 cancel, this 0, 11 9s are 99 here, this is 0, 90 multiplied by this is 10, 90 multiplied by 10 is equal to this rupees 900. Here CP cost price of first jean is equal to rupees 900. Now for the second jean, we have also given here SP selling price is equal to rupees 990. Then we have here loss is equal to 10%. So again we have to apply formula of CP here. CP is equal to SP multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So here we have given SP is equal to 990 multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Here loss percent is equal to 10 is equal to 10. Here 990 multiplied with this 100 upon 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. This 0 cancels, this 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 11s are 99, this 100, this 0 is here, 110 multiplied by this 10 is equal to 1100, 1100. This is equal to 1100. Yeah, this here is rupees. So we calculate here CP of both jeans. CP of first jean, cost price of first jean is equal to rupees 900 and cost price of the second jean is equal to rupees 1100. So the total cost price of both jeans, this is equal to rupees 900 plus rupees 1100 which is equal to 0 plus 0 here, 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 1 is a carry, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, rupees 2000. So now we have to find the total selling price of both jeans. Total, I write here total selling price of both jeans. This is equal to, we have given in the question rupees 990 plus rupees 990. This is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 1 is the carry. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1980 here. So from here the cost price is equal to rupees 2000 and the selling price is equal to 1980. 80. So we find here the Ankit get loss here. So here loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is equal to rupees 2000 minus SP is equal to rupees 1980. He get discount of rupees. He get loss of rupees 20. Now from here, now we have to find here the loss percent. I write here loss percent, the formula of loss percent. This is equal to loss upon CP multiplied by 100. This is equal to loss here is equal to rupees 20 upon CP. Total cost price is equal to rupees 2000 multiplied by 100. These both zeros cancel this both zero. This zero cancels this zero. 2 ones are 2 here. So from here loss is equal to 1%. This is our answer of this question.